Hi everyone. So today we will learn how to change the language in a Visual Studio Code. To change the language, you have to open the command palette first. To open the command palette, simply go to View and click on Command Palette. You can also use shortcut key, which is Ctrl plus Shift plus P. In the command palette, type language. You'll get this option, Configure Display Language. So you can see I only got English here and I have to install a language pack here to use. So I'll go with Spanish. You can see the size is 10.6 megabytes. Simply click on it to install the language pack. As soon as you install it, it will be activated and your entire Visual Studio Code will be in Spanish. So let's install it. To install, simply click. So you can see it is installing. Now it is asking me to restart. And you can see now my entire Visual Studio Code is in Spanish. If I want to change the language back to English, I can go to this View, Command Palette, click here. You can see it is showing Configure Display Language here. And I can pick English. You can see it is asking me to restart. Click here. So you can see now my Visual Studio Code is in English. So I hope you understood how to change language in Visual Studio Code. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.